Hi and welcome. I'm Vipul Mittal. Let's discuss a question on other information. Which of the following statements regarding annual report is not correct? Let's look at the options. An annual report is typically prepared on an annual basis. Yes, yes, this is a correct statement. It is generally prepared on an annual basis. Annual report. Option B. An annual report is prepared by management or those charged with governance. Yes, they are responsible for preparing the annual report. Correct statement. An annual report is prepared in accordance with law, regulation, or custom. Yes, it is prepared in accordance with law, regulation, or custom. So, law, regulation, or custom defines what all has to be included in the annual report and also the name by which it is to be referred. So, option C is also correct. Answer option D. The primary purpose of an annual report is to provide all the stakeholders detailed information about the entity's operations, objectives, and strategy. No, this is an incorrect statement. The purpose of an annual report is not to provide detailed information about entities' operation, objectives, and strategies to all the stakeholders. But the purpose of an annual report is to provide owners, not all the stakeholders, but owners and similar stakeholders. So, what information is provided? Information about entities' operations, financial results, financial position. So the purpose of this annual report is to provide owners and similar stakeholders information about entities' operations, entities' financial results, entities' financial position as set out in the financial statements. So these are as per the financial statements. The purpose is not to provide information about entities' objectives and strategies. No. The objective is to provide information about operations, financial results, and financial position. So this is an incorrect statement, and this is your answer. All right, students. I hope this session was helpful. We'll connect again. Goodbye. Take care.